So last time we started with NIM game with the very simple, very that there are, let us say, 7 chocolates, and we call this as last chocolate. It's a two-player game where you are allowed to take 1 or 2 chocolates. The person who gets the last chocolate is the winner. So this was our starting point to start with. Then there was different variations. One variation was the person who takes the last chocolate is the winner. That was original game. Second variation was the person who gets the last chocolate is the loser. Then what if we change the total number of chocolates? Whether our strategy will change. That is one question. Other question was we were allowed to take 1 or 2 chocolates. Instead of that, if we change this to, let us say, 1, 2, or 3 chocolates, then how your strategy will change? That could be one of the question. We tried that day, I think, with 2, 3, and 4, I guess, right, Gauri? And there were many different combinations we used. Uh,
Yeah,
so
initially 2, 3, 4, then 3, 5, 7.
3, 5, 7, and then we realized that all are odd, so we used 1 even and 2 odd, something like that also, right?
Correct,
With
correct. 3,
one
4, and
gap.
7.
Huh.
Huh.
So we explored that. Uh, so all these we didn't really discuss the winning strategy for any of these. So if we want, we can do that. Or one more game we saw that day, that was there are 60. One was write 37 and then remove 1 or 2, something like that. And the person who gets reaches 0 is the winner. So that was just the instead of drawing chocolates, we just wrote 37 and we started removing the numbers. And the last variation was write number 60 on the board and then remove or subtract factors, proper factors, basically factors of 60. The person who gets 1 is the winner.
Uh, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are all factors. So getting to 7 seems to be some kind of a strategy there.
Right, right. Because
Correct.
Uh,
if
So
you give
here
7,
we
yes,
can
Ashwin.
repeat the same factors, right?
yeah.
Yeah, you are allowed to repeat the factors. So yes, 7, if you give 7 to your, then you can win. I mean, whatever he chooses the number, maybe 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, any of these, in the last move you can win.
Yeah, it basically turns into regular NIM then.
But how to reach 7 and who will win?
Hmm. Hmm. So is there a guaranteed strategy to reach 7?
Can we play, Gauri?
Okay, you can start. Okay, I will start.
Hmm.
20.
1 minute. So getting 1 means it's like you should be the last person to choose 1. So it's 1 when it's your turn and you choose 1. That means you're the winner, right?
Yeah, that's how I have taken it.
So you should be the last player and you should choose 1. That means you
Correct.
win. Okay.
Correct.
I wrote 1 by mistake. I think.
Ah, so
0,
we
0.
are at 3.
The person who reaches 0 is the winner.
Okay.
Okay, so whenever you means you give 7 to your opponent, so your target will be reaching 7 basically. So whatever he chooses, you are always going to win in that case. Same. So you have to avoid factors of 60.
So when I think remove 15, so 25, I'll subtract 1. Proper factors means excluding 60 only, right? 1 is
Right.
still a proper factor.
Yes. 1 is allowed. I mean,
Okay.
they didn't mention that,
Mm.
but of course we cannot use 60. If we use 60,
Mm.
then no point.
Yeah. Okay, your turn.
What if we remove 6?
So if I remove 6, you get to 12. Then you can remove 5 and reach 7, and that will be good for you. So I want to prevent that. So if I remove 5, that will be 13. Okay, let's try
Now
5.
you are going to,
I'll remove 5. Oh, can I backtrack? I did
yes,
my arithmetic wrong.
it's okay.
4, 4,
Huh?
4.
Now I don't think in any case, no, 7.
So now you cannot reach 7.
If I remove
Mm,
6, I will reach 8, and then you will remove 1.
Then I'll subtract 1. You'll go to 7. And whatever
What
you
should I do?
choose, I can, yeah.
You have
18, I'm not so sure. 14, I will agree.
14, 7. 7 is for sure. So 7 to the 14. What about 21?
So 10 and 12, 14. If I remove 10 and 12, it gets too close. Okay. 21 seems attractive now. So if it's 21,
1, no.
you would, yeah, if I've reached 21, you would not remove 20, you would not remove 15, you would,
So you can't reach 7 basically from 21.
no,
So
if
21
you,
is not the winning position.
I don't think we can clearly state that yet. So from 21,
If you remove 12,
what happens if you remove 12? 9. Okay. Then the other person can force a 7, right? So which is why 14 was a good
yeah. We have all these in continuation. Right.
uh,
Okay. So till 13, all positions are losing positions. Means
correct.
you have to avoid 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13.
Correct.
What about 14? 14 is winning position again.
14 is good.
But 20 is not winning position, definitely, because 20 is factor of 60. You can directly remove 20.
21 is also not a winning position because of the 12. Suvarna says multiple of 7. Yeah, it seems attractive as multiple of 7. But if I give 21 to Shubhangee, Shubhangee will subtract 12. No, why would you subtract 12? If I give you 21 and you subtract 12 and leave 9, then I can subtract 2.
Yes.
Okay, so 21 is also a winning position only for
But
me.
21 minus 15, what will happen?
I would not do, you would not do that, no? Because that's immediately a win.
Okay. So there is no other way. Okay, so 21 minus 12.
Minus 15 also would be an immediate win. Minus 20 would also be an immediate win. Yeah, so 21 is also a good position. Multiples of 7, yeah. Then 28. If I give you 28, you can remove 20. That leaves 8. Then I can force a 7. Then again I'll win. Okay, so that's no good. You can force a 13 by removing, you can remove 15. That will give me 13. Again I can force a 7 and win. You can remove 12, which will give what? 16. Oh, 16 is already, we have identified that it's not a winning position, right?
Yes.
Okay.
So you can't reach to the winning position in that case using
Right.
28.
So it's turning out to be multiples of 7. That's like ignoring all the other factors and just as good as saying 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Now let us play.
Okay, yeah.
Megha, would you like to play?
Yeah. So let's try with 20. What happens? Let's see 40. 40 and then now some odd number.
Okay, I'll play. Okay,
Flip.
so I will choose 5.
Okay.
From 40?
35.
Huh.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Then is remaining
Again,
is
35 is
12.
Multiple of 7, Gauri.
Yeah, 35 is a multiple of 7, you're right.
So probably that is the winning position, looks like, because
12, then 12, what will we come with if we subtract 12? Then 23. 23, then he will bring it to
21, na? He can subtract 2 and come to 21 in that.
if he subtracts 2 and brings 21. That's what. So 15 will give you 20. That is also not okay. Yeah, I think there is no other winning. 35 is a
What if we subtract 10?
10, 25.
20.
10 if we subtract, then we'll get 25. Then he will subtract 5. Or he will subtract.
He won't subtract 5.
4 he will subtract.
Yeah.
He will subtract 4.
Okay. So Ashwin, let us try Mega 21.
Then it is like, if I do 20 or whatever, I mean, if I do any of those, let's see, 21 ke baad kya possible is?
So 20, so you
have to give him 7. You have to give him 7, right?
Yes.
7, 14, 21. But he has already given me 21, so that's the position. So he's already won.
Can we try 42? 42 is a multiple of 7 and 6. I wonder if it makes a difference.
You want to start from 42 or?
No, same thing. Starting from 60. But what happens if we reach 42?
Okay, so I think I have like winning strategy. If I'm the first player, I will win for sure.
Oh, yes. I want to get to 42. That is minus 80.
42 is the next number, no? 7 is the next number.
Yes, 7, 6 are 42, and it is
even
multiple
49
of 6.
Then. Even 49.
49. 56.
56.
56 is, yeah.
So
I'll choose 4.
My strategy. Yes.
He will reach 56. If he starts, he will get to 56.
But are you sure, Ashwin, with 56, you cannot win as a second player now?
Yeah, that is what I think.
Let us try. Probably.
Yeah.
So if I subtract 30 now, I'll get 26. 20 give me what? 12.
If we give 26, Ashwin will force. No. Who started first?
No,
we
so
started.
We started.
You
We
started.
gave him 56.
Then he will subtract 5. Then he will get 21. He will give me 21.
Correct.
I cannot I have to do something that will give him either 42 or.
Gauri is like starting. She's the first player. So now my claim is with 56, Gauri will always win. No matter what I do, I think Gauri is going to win.
Okay.
So, basically we have 11 options. So we are having 11 factors, 1 to 6, then 10, 12, 15, 20, 30. So, right now our hypothesis is that if it's your turn and you are faced with any multiple of 7, so it's like it's my turn and I have to deal with 56, then it means I am losing for sure. Similarly, if it's my turn and if I have to face 49 or 42 or any of the other multiples, it means it's like I'm in a losing position. Like in the beginning of my turn, if it's 56, it means I lose. So now I will not be able to give a number so that Gauri is going to end with the multiple of 7. So it's like if I just choose 1 to 5, 1 to 6, then Gauri will choose another number so that I am at 49. Right. So 1 to 6, Gauri will still make sure that I'm starting the turn with a multiple of 7. So now if I choose say 10, it's going to be 46. So from there also, Gauri can choose a number that will push me to again a multiple of 7.
4.
She can choose a number.
Correct. So she can choose 10 or 12 or 15 or
Right.
20 or 30. Any of these numbers she can choose.
Or she
10
can choose
or
a
7.
4 also, right?
Correct. Like I'm just looking at all the numbers greater than 7.
Huh.
So if, for example, uh, from 56, suppose I choose say 20, I will be at 36. We will be at 36 and it will be Gauri's turn.
So if we remove 20, then you will be at 60.
No.
46. That is 20.
We are branching off from 56.
46.
Okay,
From
instead of
56,
10, you are saying.
yes.
Okay. So 56 minus 12.
20 or 10, 12? Okay.
No, anything basically.
Achha, 20 also. Okay, if we choose 20, then
You can just write the different options.
30 also we want
Yes.
is 26, 41 and 44. Now
You're
what?
basically doing the brute force. I mean, you're trying all the possibilities, right?
Correct. Yes.
Yes.
Yeah. This basically boils down to just NIM with numbers 1 to 6.
Yeah.
Yes, looks like.
Because because there are no multiples of 7 which are factors of 60.
Yes.
What about 42? No,
It's not
that
a
is
factor
not.
of 60.
No, but it has some common factors. So I
Common factors are there, that doesn't matter.
Hmm.
So if I was trying to force multiples of 7,
thought.
and I give you 42, let's say, and 42 was a factor of 60, then you could just win in a single move. That would have
Right.
been an exception to this.
Right.
But as such, since that is not the case, there are no exceptions.
So I was actually thinking in a different way.
That is.
So I basically wrote all numbers from say 0 to 60.
Okay.
So can you just write 0 to 20 at least 20 numbers? Yeah, this is enough.
No.
Okay. So the way I'm thinking is, if it's your turn to play and you are having 5, it means you are going to win because you can just remove 5. Right. So I think Gauri and Shubhangi, you were looking at what number you end with after you play, right?
Right.
So we will use that only. So if like after you play, you are ending with 7, it means you are going to win.
No.
So we will start from 0 only. So 0 is our winning number. If you end with 0, it means you win.
Right.
Any number which is this 0 plus a factor is a losing number.
Right.
So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are all losing numbers. That means 7 is a winning number. So it's like a factor, any factor of 60 is a losing number. Winning number plus a factor is a losing number.
Losing number.
Winning plus factor means it's a losing number. So 1, 2, 3, 5 is a losing number. And 7 plus a factor is also a losing number.
Right. So that means 7, 8 is losing. 9 is losing.
That is clearly because if 7 plus a factor, you can clearly and then you are left with 7.
Correct. Yes.
So if you're left with 7, then again basically it's a losing number.
So I'm just like building following
number
this
for the opponent.
Right.
No,
Right.
winning number for you.
My logic is so if it's your turn and you are faced with 7, it means you are going to lose. Or it's like if you end with 7 after your turn, it means you are winning.
Right.
If you actually play your turn and if you are ending with 9, it means your opponent will choose 2 to get 7. So suppose
9 is losing position for me. If I'm
Yes.
giving 9 to my opponent, then that is a losing position for me. Means
Correct.
whoever
It is-
reaches 9 is the loser.
correct. It's the same for 19 also. So if you are giving me 19. I will choose 12 so that you have 7.
Right, right.
It's the same for 27 or 37 also.
All these are losing positions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 20 is also losing position because it's a factor of 60.
Correct. Yes.
Any
So
vector is 6.
all factors are losing positions. You can mark up all the factors. Then a winning position plus a factor is also a losing position. So yeah, that's all.
Okay. And as Gauri said that if one of the numbers, these winning positions, been a factor of 60, then that would have been a losing position. Oh, good. Nice.
What if we choose some number other than 60, like 66?
Okay,
So
you are starting from 66.
in case of 60, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, fine. Then we have 10, 12, 15, 20, 30, which are all non-prime. They're basically multiples of the factors from 1 to 6. Oh, 66 doesn't have many factors. Yeah, I basically want to try a case where we have a prime factor after a gap. So I want like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, gap, 11 or whatever, 13 or something.
You can just choose 30.
Okay. So according to our strategy here, using multiples of 4 should work.
So this is our winning position.
So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15, 30. All these are losing positions. Right. So
That's
20. 20 is a winning position according to the rule of multiples of 4.
So 7 and 8 are losing positions? Yes.
No, not 8.
7, okay. 8, we'll see.
8, okay.
Okay, so 4 plus 1, 4 plus 2, 4 plus 3.
8 minus 4 is 4, 8
4
minus
plus
5.
9 is a losing position. 10 is a losing position. 4 plus 10, 14 is a losing position.
10. 11 is also losing position.
11, 8 plus 3, yeah. 11 would be a losing position. 12 is?
Basically, you have to come here in that case, intermediate. That means this has no role, the factors. So the only first consecutive numbers will play a role, Ashwin. What do you think?
That's what I'm also thinking. I'm a little suspicious.
I mean, this is at all not
playing a role.
any role.
Yeah,
that's what I'm also thinking. It's a little, I don't know, suspicious. Okay. Maybe odd number, yeah.
Or we can select numbers if we want.
We will play with 15 or 20.
20 is no, okay. So 20 is even hard. Correct.
1, 3, 5. That's it then. 1, 3, 5.
15 has got 1, 3, 5.
So 0 is a winning position. 4 is a winning position.
Who is also winning? No?
1, 2, 3 are definitely losing position. How is 2 a winning position?
If I give you 2, you can subtract 1.
Oh, nice.
If you give me 2, then I don't have.
You have to subtract 1. So again, if I give you 2, you will subtract 1, and then I will subtract 1. So I am the winner.
Correct.
So that consecutive numbers play a role. Again, 4 is winning, I guess. Maximum you can remove is 3, so you can reach 1. You can't reach 0 from 4. No, but what if you remove 1? If I give you 4, you remove 1.
Yeah, so then you remove 1 and give 2, and 2 is a winning.
Then I can remove 3. 0, 3 is there.
Okay, 3 directly, yes.
So 4 is also winning position. What about 6?
Suvarna is saying 8 is also a winning position.
We don't have to go all the way. With the viewpoint that Ashwin gave,
Uh,
if there is a, so if you are examining, say, the number 8, if there is a winning position at a distance of 1 or 3 or 5, then it's a losing number. Otherwise, it's a winning position only.
So how to? I didn't get it. Say it again.
So
From 8.
let's say we are examining the number 9, okay?
Okay.
So from 9, what are the
1,
numbers
2,
we can
3,
remove?
4,
1, 3,
5.
5. So by removing 1, 3, 5, are we able to reach a winning configuration?
So we can reach 4, 6, and 8.
Correct. Of which all 3 are winning positions, right? So 9 is a losing position. So basically, if I get 9, I'm going to lose, because no matter what I subtract, I'm leaving the opponent in a winning position.
Okay.
So then this holds for all these. Yeah. So again, it's almost like saying you can only take 1. Shall we try a square number?
Okay. Which number? 25, 36?
So 25.
25 has limited factors. So
1, 5, and 25. 1 and 5, right?
1 and 5.
Right.
So again, 2, 3.
2, 3, 4 will be the winning
2,
position.
3.
No. 2 will be winning, 3 won't be winning, right?
Because it's at a distance of 1 from another winning position. 3 is losing because it's at a distance of 1 from 2. 4 is winning.
How, if I give you 3, what will happen? You will subtract 1.
Correct.
I will subtract 1.
Right.
Again, you will subtract 1. So you are the winner.
So where did we start?
See, this is opponent. You are giving me 3, so I will subtract 1. Here you are subtracting 1. This is you. And again, I have to subtract. Yeah, so I am winning. Okay. So opponent is winning. So that is a losing position. Right? And then
4 is the winning position. 5 is not. 6 is not. So now we have a break. Like so far, even numbers have come. Oh, no. 6 is, no?
can
6
subtract
is
5. No, opponent can subtract. No.
Subtracting 5 will lead to a losing position. Subtracting 1 will also lead to a losing position. So yeah, it is a winning position.
This is winning position.
Yeah, it will continue like this. There is no other way it can go.
So after 6, this is losing, this is winning.
Yeah, because we have 1.
Yeah, so it looks like that 5 is not playing a role at all.
Not playing a role at all.
Yeah. If you do it for 9 or 49 also, it will be the same thing.
So that first consecutive numbers means the way we
Is
play
all
in normal
correct.
NIM.
Yeah.
Oh, shall we also try one power of 2? 16.
One more game you want to try?
I just want to try a power of 2. I mean, some powers.
Okay.
So up to 16. Multiples are 1, 2, 4, 8.
Which power of 2 you want to choose?
16.
3 is the winning number.
All right. Yeah, it just matches. Yeah.
I will
3, 6, 9, 12. On away. 2 away.
I have 6.
Yeah, same pattern holds. Totally unexpected that the other
Yes.
factors will not factor
Play
in.
any role. They are not.
Mm.
So then the other day we discussed about two. I mean, we played. We didn't discuss as such. Where there is no one, then how it differs, Ashwin, now?
We are playing regular NIM or this factor game?
No, suppose we are allowed to remove 2, 3, or 4 from any number. So let us say we start with 20. So what will be our winning positions?
I mean, I have to think about it, but my approach to this problem is the same. So it's like from 0, I'll write to 20. So, yeah. So it's like what happens if you end with 1? So whoever takes the last pebble is the winner or loser?
Or we can say, if there is no legal move for your opponent, then he is the loser. I mean, you have to block your opponent from making any legal move. So if you reach on 1 or 0, then you are the winner.
Correct.
Because there is no move for your opponent to.
Correct.
Okay. And then 2, 3, 4, definitely they are losing positions. You don't want to give 4 to your opponent, right? In that case, it is the direct win for him.
5 also, because it's 4 away from a winning position. No, 5 would be a losing position.
Losing.
Because
If
if
I
you
give
give your
you
opponent,
5,
then I will subtract 4 and reach 1 and be done.
so then this is also losing position.
Huh.
Yeah, because there are 2 winning positions, 0 and 1.
Exactly, yeah.
Okay. What about 6?
6 minus 2 is 4, 6 minus 3 is 3, 6 minus 4 is 2. Yeah, that's a winning position.
Oh, that
7
is winning
minus...
position.
That
is winning position for us, right? Okay.
7 minus 2 is 5, 7 minus 3 is 4, 7 minus 4 is 3. 7 is also winning position. 8 is losing position.
7 minus 2 is 5. 5 is losing position.
Correct.
For the opponent, okay. So this pattern continues.
Right.
No, 4. We'll have to, not 3, 4.
You're doing for 20, right? Shubhangee?
Huh?
You're doing for 20.
20. So 20 is the losing position. So that means second player will always win.
But you can also, it's like you will never reach 18, 19 also, right? You'll never reach 19 basically.
You can reach 18 in that case.
18,
20
yes,
minus 2 is
not
18.
19.
But 18 is
19?
winning.
19
But
might
then
run.
Ashwin, then 18 is winning position for first player, right? He reaches, then first player can win.
20 minus 1 is 19, no?
Correct.
No,
So,
we don't have 1 mega. We have 2, 3, 4.
No. So what we are saying is no player will reach 19 if you are starting from 20.
Right.
No player
Then,
will reach 19
no. My question is, Ashwin, then 18 will be a winning position, right? I mean,
yes. That's what I also think. Yeah.
Yeah, so the first player will. Yeah, correct,
The first player wins and not the second.
correct, correct.
And if we have 2, 3, and 5 now with the gap of 1, so how this will change?
I think we can stop here. Maybe we will come back to this
Okay.
next.